What's up guys, today we are going to review an AI song generator, Suno AI. Suno AI creates stunning original music in seconds using AI. Make your own masterpieces, share with friends and discover music from artists worldwide. Opening the Suno AI website, you got to see the homepage. Homepage is loaded with many things, but let's just go towards the option it gives in the left side, which is home, create, library, explore, search and notifications. Below that we got to see that upgrade to pro, and it is very attractive. Obviously it should be attractive to attract the clients, and there you can see there is a pro plan, premier plan, free plan. We are interested more in a free plan, and it gives access to 3.5, which is a model of Suno AI. They are constantly upgrading their models to better up the quality. That's a good thing. Now 50 credits renew the options what you would get in free plan. One thing another which is important to note is that in free plan it's hard to download any song. You cannot download simple as that. So in home page, new model v4.5 just dropped, so they are saying you to upgrade to v4.5, and it is just an ad. Below that we got for you, suggested creators, trending. Let's just proceed down, and there we got to see that global, Arabic, Bengali, Chinese, for Indian subcontinent audience in Urdu is one of the most attractive options. And now you can filter out the songs with time, weekly, monthly, all time. Below that we got to see best of v4.5. You can just click here and listen what v4.5 has presented and how efficient it is. Now in motion, these are the AI video songs. They are not that complete videos, but more like of GIF, and it's quite attractive. Featured song, okay, new songs, you got to see new songs. Then top category, what's at the top is there that people are going towards jazz category, and then they are going towards rap, and then EDM, then folk, then rock. So this was my list which I was listening, so they are giving me option that you were listening to this, now keep continue listening towards it. Then there's a trending playlist, okay, Suno showcase, creators you may like, country, yes, Bhangra. Okay, we are getting Bhangra here, experimental, Motown, dubstep. Suno AI's home is a gold mine. It is full of options that you can spend whole day exploring all these options, and due to the shortage of time, and as you can do it yourself, there's nothing more technical in it, we would just shift it to the create option. Create option, you can see my workspace there, but there are two options in create, simple and custom. Simple option, you can see that there is an option where you can give a prompt to it, but if you click on this dices, it automatically generates something for you that is fun, hardcore, hip-hop song about transformations. Now we would just love to add strong drums, R&B, alternative, and now you can see that now it is ready, and you just simply had to click on this create option and your song would be ready. Above there is v4. Now look at this, v4.5 is there, v4 is there, which is pro, and 8 songs left. v3.5, which is free, v3 is free, v2 is free, but in presence of v4.5, it's little difficult to switch towards v3.5. but if you don't want to spend money, v3.5 is best, but still unfortunately you cannot download. Now there is an audio option, and they are saying that agree to the terms, and now you can upload audio here, record audio here. We won't do it now because you can do it easily. Now there is an plus option, which is prompt. Here you can save your prompts here, and which you can use later to create music. Now there's an add audio option. Similarly, you can drag and drop audio file here. Let's do it. It started recording here, but we are not interested in it. Still, it is a useful option, but the thing is you cannot download it for free, and it turns voice into your music, so it is okay. But for me, one of the most dislikely thing is you cannot download it for free. So there's an add persona option, and it is for premium version. Okay, let's okay, one thing I forgot is that instrumental version, instrumental sound creation. You can see that we just click on this dice button and the prompt changes. Prompt how changes is this, syncopated dark electro song about this song, intense anime opening song about sharing song, industrial beats. So it would just create the beat, it would just create the sound, it would not create the song. So these song creation, and second is instrumental sound creation. Let's jump towards the custom version, which obviously we love more, and we want to know what is in it. There is above here we have setting option, and you can see that there what kind of model you want to choose, and there's a lyrics model too. There's a Remy over newest most creative model may generate content that some find offensive. Okay, let's just not go there, you can use it yourself. Now here we can add lyrics. There's an auto option is like you just give them a hint and it would create whole lyrics for you. Then there's an option write lyrics, and there you have to write whole song here. And now there's below there's an option by line. At by line you can just write, we just randomly write 1 2 3, so it may be a song 1 2 3. Okay, it's a famous song in Hindi which you can listen on the Indian audience. So now there's a full song option. In full song option, I think it's like I want a song on nature. Okay, now we have given it a random prompt. So now we are going to write lyric. It gives you two options for the lyrics. Whispers of the Wild, I have already created it, and then there's another Whispers of the Wild. First you can see that the trees they hum a quiet tune. Now the second is different, the trees are talking in the breeze tonight. So let's select this option. You got it there, the whole song, chorus, verse 2, chorus, verse. So it's all divided into different parts of the song. Below you can see that style, pop rock, Latin, emotional female voice. Generally it creates song in male voice, but you can create an emotional female voice. Here you can give it the option that you can exclude some style. I can just say that I don't want rap in here, but this option is not. I think it's for the pro version. Okay, no problem. Persona again, it would be pro, and but here are the things. The persona here was under the pro version. Here they are giving us the option. Now look at this. I'm sorry guys, it's something confusing in Suno AI, that for example if in any other website, if there's an option which is a pro, it is pro at every place where it is present on the website. Here at home or at a simple version it was under pro version, but here they are giving the options that you are able to create the persona. It is somewhat beneficial, but it is confusing. So there are more options here. Song title, you can choose a song title, workspace, oh yes, and then you can save the prompt here. You can clear all, and let's create the option. Okay, you can see that we have created Whispers of Wild here, and I'm just telling you how to create a new song here. And when you click at the create option, it takes time there, and now it has generated the song of 2.48 minutes. And now we would click on it. Let's see how does it sound. We are clicking on it, but it's not working. Please do work for us. Now it would take time. We would just come later back on. Here is an option which is very important, which is extend. Now extend is an option where you can increase the limit of this song from 2.48 to 4 minutes. Maximum is a 4 minutes. You cannot go upward than that. For example, in this song that 3.19, it can go towards 4 minutes. It can also go towards 4 minutes, but not more than that. Along with it, there's a publish option. Publish option is that if you want to give the world an expression of your creation, you want to show the world that what a masterpiece you have created, just click on this option. There is a like option, dislike option, comment, share, and then there are three dots. Three dots are again, I think they are okay, but there are some options which shouldn't be there. So first option is song editor. At song editor, you can see that you can crop song, replace section. I found it very interesting that always in editing a song, you always need an option, and you always need something to be cropped out, and then replace section. It is very interesting. Now create option again, extend, reuse prompt, cover song. These all are make persona, custom song, radio. These three options are pro, but extend and reuse prompts are there. Again, you can see that make persona is a pro, and here persona you were able to create it. So it's confusing. Add to queue, add to playlist, move to workspace, publish song details. So you can have song details here, visibility and permissions. Yes, visibility and permissions are like you can allow comments, pin to profile, share, download. Let's click at the download option. We won't generate the video because it would obviously be pro, and let's click at the mp3 audio to tell you whether you can download it or not. So now need commercial rights, only pro and premium song eligible for premium use. Upgrade now. We won't upgrade, but we would love to use the download anime option. So let's click on it. Upon clicking the download option, anime option, oh, to be honest, I am amazed that this song is downloaded, because obviously in the previous tries it was not downloaded, and I was like, okay, sometimes it got downloaded and sometimes it doesn't. I'm amazed that it got downloaded, because obviously I was trying previously and they were not being downloaded, and now it is also getting downloaded. Oh yes, just give you wrong information that it won't get downloaded. Yeah, it is getting downloaded here, and right at this time. Honestly, in the previous tries it was not getting downloaded. So I'm sorry that sometimes you would get downloaded songs and sometimes you would not. That's my experience. Okay, so now let's just shift to the library songs here, playlist, like playlist, following. Yes, these are all the options. Like, so the same option, extend, publish, you got there too. Okay, you can upload audio here, scenes. Oh yes, if you use Suno AI to create some scenes, it would be here, it would be available here. If you public some of your creations here, it would be there. Okay, so this is the library option, and now there is an explore new styles of music with Sono V4.5. I found it interesting because it gives you a lot of options. Look, choral folk, darker flamenco, shoegaze, silent, electronic grunge. If you are a music lover and if you are a music creator, you want to explore the new styles, I think that explore option is in a whole new world. Let's click at the dice. What is that? Now you can see that Pensao e Beledo is there. Okay, there's an option create with V4.5. Let's click on it. Okay, we have clicked on it, and when it takes to the again to the create panel. Okay, we were just in create panel, and now we would go towards the search option. Search option is not much. You can say that you can just only search songs, playlist, user genres, notification. Oh yes, notification. Obviously we are not using it constantly, so why would we get notifications? And then you can see that we have 40 credits left. Upgrade to the pro, invite friends. What's new, more from Sono? I love one thing about Sono is that they are constantly changing their technology, they are constantly building their model. Besides that, one of the most annoying feature of Suno AI for me is that one option is present at a multiple place. For example, you can get create option in create section, then in library, then in explore. Similarly, add persona is in different places. Somewhere it is pro and at other places it is free. So it creates a lot of confusion. Overall experience of Suno AI is wonderful. It is exceptional. They need to build their create panel more advanced, more critical. It should give the user more control over the song creation. That's all from my side, and I love the Suno AI, and I hope that Suno AI would turn to be the number one AI song generator. Thank you so much. See you later.